Hello everyone from Burlington Square Mall in Bugis, Singapore. This is a less known mall compared to Simin Square and also Bugis Junction. So it was started in 1999 and now it is a mix of retail and office building right here. So let's check it out, man. There's an interesting shop called Whole New Land Collections. Hey, look at that. Wow, some Buddhist items here. Shopee. And there's a massage here. A9. Wow. Pork onion rice, $5. Tea 8, 50 cents. Udon, not sure, but dumpling 15 piece, $4. Xiao Bao, $8. It's reasonably priced. Chicken curries, noodle spicy, $4. And 炸酱面 $5. Utopia Meal Therapy SMS Gaining Link. Okay, that's the first time I heard of the surname Gay in Singapore. There's a Roaches Center Clinic in front. And what's this? A Biosystem Smart House. It's a kind of like security door and stuff. Interesting. Gadget affair. I like the mirrors, man. There's a Bruce Lee, there's a death fight kind of movie in the 1970s, right? You can see the different angles of Bruce Lee. It's, even though he's just one person standing at the center. Own clinic. It seems that the own clinic is not operating, become a cafe now. And there's a hair salon right here. This is a Cloud9. Cloud9, you know, like heaven. In heaven, right? This kind of facial salon. Well, Audio Lab. You know, last night I was here, but today they are closed also. Now it's 4 p.m. afternoon. On clinic. Oh, and the next one, Marty Electronic, very old school. I saw the boss is already. That means very old, about 70. USA vintage keyboards. Wow. Loudspeaker repair service. And look at the signboard, it's so old already. There's a lawyer firm here called Juby Wong and Co. And besides that is the Martin Electronic stuff. Hang up your records to prevent it from warping. Then there's another TCN shop called Indion. It sounds like Korean TCN. And then the Su Credit License Money Lender. There are many eateries outside this Burlington Square Mall. Nice sitting area. And some music, the Korean food here as well. Sick. Look at the chicken. Wow, man. It's a yummy house of the honey. It's called the pure honey. It's right here. No, it's here. World class natural wild honey. Here, 喝过的蜜. There's a Burger King here as well, and a pear juice. Wow, vending machine, $3.20. There are more shops here. Interesting, that space. Hair studio. Oh, this one interesting, mobile hardware. Very bright. Very cute stuff here. The Minions, and look at that, they are the 1990s handphone. Motorola, Nokia. Yeah, so the perfume, right? Cascaden.